In this video, I'll show you how to add the British pound sign in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, place your cursor and click where you want the pound sign to appear. Click Insert at the top of the ribbon and then navigate to Symbols. Select it once. Sometimes it may appear in this pop-up. For me, it's right here, pound sign. If it doesn't appear for you, that's fine. We're just going to click More Symbols, and this new window will appear. In this new window, make sure down at the bottom where it says From that it's set to Unicode in brackets, hex. Once you've done that, we're going to change the subset. But you might be thinking, we're in currency symbols. Won't it be there? It won't. We need to find it in a subset called Latin-1 supplement. Select it once. Then from here, it should be underneath the R. Here it is. Unicode name, pound sign, and then click Insert. Then click Close. From here, we can simply highlight the character, press Ctrl-C to copy, and Ctrl-V to paste on your keyboard. But of course, we can actually use another keyboard short to create the pound sign. We're going to use something called a Unicode. Type in the following, 00A3. Then hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then press X. Word will now convert the code into a pound sign. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about inserting symbols in Word, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.